Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons we have available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So you can add a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper add-on, an embellishment add-on, or all 3, or in any combination that you want. And this will just help your kits go even further. We're going to dig right in and take a closer look at everything in each one of these add-ons, and we're going to start with the cardstock, and I'm going to leave the pattern papers here because I like doing that so you can see all of the colors that you're working with in a month in case you can cross over and use things in other collections. I am going to do something a little bit different because our Cartabella is two-sided, so I am going to pull those out. But for 49th and Market, the Vintage Orchard, you're going to get 1 sheet of Lily Pond and 2 sheets of Cinnamon Stick. So each one of these you'll get 2 of one color and 1 of another. And then for Harvest from Cartabella, you're going to get 1 sheet that's yellow pink, and then the other one is orange and teal. So let me pull these out so you can see better. So they coordinate. They're from Cartabella and they coordinate with that collection. So you have pink and yellow. And then this one you have the teal and the back side is orange. So you're actually getting 4 different colors of cardstock with that collection. For the Doodlebug Hey Pumpkin, you're going to get 2 sheets of bubble gum and 1 sheet of Bumblebee. And then for Fancy Pants Amber Autumn, you're going to get 1 sheet of pink icing and 2 of Tangelo. So you can see how gorgeous all of the colors are in your collection. The next thing we're going to look at is your patterned paper. And for your patterned paper, you get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these will not be anything that you got from the other kit, from the main kit. It's 2 additional pattern papers. So let me go ahead and move that out of the way. So for 49th and Market Vintage Orchard, we have Etched Botanicals. So it's another one of those awesome background papers with the florals over here, and of course the little tickets and stubs. The back is a leaf print in that rusty brown. This paper is called Apple Delight, another wonderful background paper. Apples, the yellow and the green, and the back is a gold check. So that is your Vintage Orchard. For Harvest from Cartabella, I love this paper here. This reminds me of like folk art paintings. It's just gorgeous. The back side is a plaid. That paper is called Happy Harvest Floral. This one is a leaf print. We have little bitty sunflowers and little acorns floating through, and the back is a mauve geometric design. That paper is called Leaves Are Falling. And then Hey Pumpkin from Doodlebug. We have the little ghost with their little smiles. This is called Peekaboo. The back is a black tone-on-tone with little circles and little star prints, and then we have it striped in all of those beautiful colors. This paper is called Halloween Haul because of all of the candy on this side. And then from Amber Autumn from Fancy Pants Design, we have this gorgeous floral. This would be a perfect background, and then just put some photo and little embellishments in the journaling block. It'd be gorgeous. This paper is called Dahlia Day. And then we have this fun pink print on the back, and there's a drawing of a hand with all of the lifelines and things. That's fun. And then we have this one, another one that kind of reminds me of folk art. This paper is called Friendly Forest, and on the back are all of these mushrooms. So that is your patterned paper add-on. So if you love more patterned papers, then be sure to grab that one. Next up, we have the embellishment add-on, and these will all vary except for the Cartabella chipboard. Everyone will receive this, but these will vary among the kits. So for 49th and Market, you're going to get 1 of the laser cut sheets. So this is the one I received, lots of florals and leaves and the birds and some fruit. For Doodlebug Hey Pumpkin, you're going to get 1 of the sticker sheets. So there are 3 different sheets in this package, so you'll get 1 of those. For Harvest from Cartabella, you're going to get the chipboard words and phrases, which I love that, and it also has some flowers and icons in it as well. And then from Fancy Pants Design, the Amber Autumn, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So there are 2 in this pack, so you get this one or the other side of the sticker sheet. But lots of options there to embellish with. So be sure to grab those. Here's one more look at the 3 add-on kits. I'll have links to the other videos here if you haven't already checked out the flavors of the month, or if you want to check out the Shots of Life, which also coordinates and will give you more pattern paper embellishments. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Check out the challenges, all the inspiration. We have lots going on over there. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.